Welcome to Paybooks. In this video, we will look at how to update multiple loan disbursements and how to use the history import option. On the home page, click Transactions. Scroll down to Spend Loan Management. Click Salary Loans and Advances. Click Disburse Loans under Workflow. To update multiple loan disbursements, you can use the Import option. Click Import. Click Download Template here. Update the details and save the file. Click Choose File and select the file. Click Import. The details will be displayed below. Once you have confirmed the details, click Save. And the loan disbursement details will be uploaded. This import option is also available under Loan Disbursement Import under Import. You can use the History Import option to import the loan history during migration. This helps to capture the full details of the loan disbursements and the installments recovered and to calculate the correct loan perquisite. Click History Import. Click Download Template here. Update the details. You will be updating the number of installments which have already been paid. Once you have updated the file, click Choose File. Select the file. Click Import. The details will be displayed below. Once you have confirmed the details, click Save. Under Repayment Schedule, you can see that the number of installments that have already paid will be highlighted in green. Thank you for watching this video and have a great day.